Hi all, Archana here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video there is a good news to people who are stranded abroad from when Prime Minister had declared the ban of international flights from March 22nd. So there is a good news to people who are stranded abroad. So before getting into this topic, I just want to give a small note to people about liquor shops open across country in India. So most of the liquor shops, most of these states have opened liquor shops across country, and of course by now most of you have got some social viral maybe videos on people who are standing in queue in most of the states when the liquor shops are open. But few of the states and few of the districts in Delhi, and even in Delhi you have seen that social distancing is has no value now after this lockdown. Like people are not maintaining social distancing or wearing masks during when they are forming queue for the wine shops. And now Chief Minister of Delhi has planned to shut off these wine shops as public is not following the social distancing norms during the lockdown. And secondly, I want to talk about is Coimbatore market, which is in South India, that is in Chennai, which is the largest market across the country, wherein you get all groceries, vegetables, fruits. So this has become a hotspot for the COVID-19. And now, just today, that is Monday alone, that is on May 4th, 527 new cases have been reported. And now they say this Coimbatore market is the cluster, is become the hotspot for the coronavirus cases to increase. So let's follow social distancing, let's wear masks, and let's follow the lockdown norms wherever we are, however we are. This is not only good for us, but even for the society and people living with us. We know most of you all are living with people or with older people and even with children. So let's not spread this virus. Maybe we may be asymptomatic, but when we even a person, if he's asymptomatic, his immunity, as I told you in my earlier video, his immunity will be to the high, and wherein he will not he may be carrying the virus, but at the same time he's spreading this virus which can affect people who are around you. So wherever you are, however you are, please do follow social distancing, please follow the lockdown norms. And now getting into the topic of Indian people stranded abroad. So there is a good news for people who are stranded abroad. The Indian government has decided to bring Indian people who are stranded abroad from May 7th. So when we talk about this, the Indian government keeping in mind of the people who are the first importance is given to the people who are residing in Gulf. There are about 8 million people who are stranded in Gulf, that is the Indian nationalities. So after that goes to Europe and then the across the globe. So people have government has decided to bring back the Indian nationalities who are stranded abroad from in a phased manner from May 7th. So there are few protocols which we need to follow. That is, people who are stranded abroad who wants to get back to India. There are few protocols which you need to follow. The very first thing is, if you really want to get back to your nation, to your country, Indian government has decided few aircrafts and naval ships to bring back the Indian Indian stranded nationalities to bring back to the country. And they have to follow, as I told you, they have to follow a few protocols. They will be before boarding the flights, person will be screened for the COVID-19 test positive or negative, and if a person is asymptomatic, only person can board the flight. So even after boarding the flight, once you have reached the destination, you will again be screened, and a person will be put into 14 days hospital or maybe institutional quarantine, which is a must. And once you reach the destination, it is a must for every Indian citizen to download the Arogya Setu app in their mobile phones. And again, they will be, once they reach the destination, they will be screened for if a person is having COVID-19 symptoms. Apart from that, he will be 14 days quarantine, that is, as I told you, hospital quarantine or institutional quarantine. So even after the 14 days of quarantine, they have some protocols wherein a person will again be tested for the COVID-19 test if it is a positive or negative, and depending on the protocols, they will follow the same norms. So, and the main thing is, earlier before the lockdown, that is when our Prime Minister Modi had told that from March 22nd, all the flights were shut down. That is, all the international flights were shut down from March 22nd. So before that, our government had brought few of the Indian nationalities who are resided abroad, like in China or in Indonesia or US, at their cost. But now people who want to get back to their country will have to go at on their own cost. That is, we have to inform beforehand that we want to return back, so that the Indian embassy in respected countries will prepare for for us to get back to our country, but at our own cost. So of course it is a kind of good news for people who are really stranded abroad and want to get back, but please follow these protocols if you really want to, which is, as I told you, a simple protocols like 14 days quarantine, and you will be tested for, you have to be asymptomatic, that is, you should not know, you should not show any symptoms of cough, cold, or any of the symptoms related to COVID-19. And of course you will be screened before you board and also after you board. So there are just few protocols you need to follow. So I hope this video was informative to you all. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then,